Welcome to my Origin bed review video. Hi, my name's Meg and we've recently renovated our 1940s detached bungalow, and this was the final room that needed a makeover. And this is our downstairs bedroom, so it was only right that we had a lovely bed to go in it for any guests that are staying here. So I'm working with Origin on this. They have kindly gifted me this bed and the bed frame as well. So I could safely say we were sent this about 2 months ago now. So we've had a fair share of nice night's sleep in here, so I can share my experience with you. So I firstly wanted to go through the bed itself. Now the bed was so easy to put together. I've already put a video up of me assembling the bed by myself, and it took about, I think it was 2 hours to do myself. So it was not hard at all, and it was really straightforward and really easy. And for the design of itself, it's such a lovely colour, and the grey just goes with absolutely everything. So I've tried to really warm this room up, so I've gone for the neutral headboard, and I absolutely love the slatted kind of vibe on the headboard that matches the stripes on the bedding as well. So of course this is a Ottoman bed, and it provides some of the most amazing storage for me. So we've got quite a lot of rubbish in this house because we've renovated, kicking about from the renovation and things like that. And a lot of our old furniture, we don't want to bin it because it will be useful, but we need somewhere to kind of like put it while it's not being used. And the Ottoman element of this bed is literally amazing. And I've got to be honest, we do have a bed upstairs, and the Ottoman is quite hard to open, whereas the Ottoman on this is so easy to open and close. Again, like using one hand, it is really easy to do. So the bed is really sturdy, and I absolutely love how sturdy it feels, because there's nothing worse than buying a bed and feeling like you're gonna fall through it. Okay, so let me just show you how easy it is to make this bed, because it is honestly so nice. So I'll show you what the mattress looks like. Okay, so we've got the Origin Hybrid Mattress, and this is in the size double. So I think at the moment, like, that is less than £300 on the website at the moment, which I think is really good for a good quality hybrid mattress. So according to Origin's website, it's a #1 award-winning mattress, and it was actually on Which's Best Buy double mattress in 2024, which I think says quite a lot, because it is honestly a very comfy mattress, and I just love how squishy the top part is. And you can obviously feel the springs here, but there's quite a big chunk of this kind of memory foam on top. So there are 3,000 individual springs inside the mattress, and 6 layers in the mattress completely. So I can't open this, unfortunately, to show you, but you can feel it all there, the different layers of in there. So this is a snow Tencel pillow top as well, and again, it is so soft and comfy. Okay, and some other great things about the mattress and the bed is you could get free delivery, free returns, and you also get a 200-night trial with their mattresses, which I think is really good, because you can't really tell after a couple of nights like how your back is gonna feel in the long run. Like with me, I notice quite you know, if I've had a bad night's sleep, my body will tell me straight away. And one thing I can say is when we've camped out in here on the weekends, like, I've actually had such a lovely sleep, and it's like a deep sleep, and it's got like a cooling technology in it as well, and you really feel that when you're sleeping on it. But no, I've got nothing but good things to say about the mattress. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to recommend that my mum and dad get a new mattress from Origin as well. So I think I'm really pleased with it. And yeah, so just to say as well, I am working with Origin on this video, but I would not work with brands that I don't feel are aligning with my channel. You know, I've done bed reviews on here already, and it's so good for me to compare and see the difference in what I've currently got and this, and I really do believe that this is a good product, and it's really affordable as well, and I'm really enjoying the Ottoman in here. So yeah, all-rounder great bed and great mattress, and I'm really pleased, and I feel really confident that I can invite my friends round now, and they can more than happily stay in this room on this really comfy bed. If you like my video, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. 98.9% of you don't subscribe to my channel. So I think that is a huge number. Like when I see people say that at the end of videos, it is usually like 50%, but yeah, huge amount of my views on my videos aren't subscribers. So I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing a bedroom makeover that will involve this bed and making over this room. And I will see you in the next video.